Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to download Tomcat for running servlet programs. For running servlet program, we require Tomcat server. Tomcat is a open source web server. So how to download this or how to install this Tomcat server? You have to just type download. Now I'm using Tomcat 7 version with JDK 1.8. You have to just type download Tomcat 7, then select this first Apache Tomcat site. Here you can select in download version, whichever version you want. I want Tomcat 7, so I will select Tomcat 7. Then in Tomcat 7, here there are different versions according to your system. You can select 32-bit, 64-bit, any version whichever suitable for your machine. After selecting this, it will get downloaded in C drive. Zip file will be downloaded. You have to just extract that file, and after extracting, this is my file, Apache Tomcat 7.0.50. In this folder there are different important folders which you should remember. In first folder is bin. In bin folder, from this folder we have to use one file for starting Tomcat, that is startup.bat file. This file, if you click this file, it will start Tomcat server for running servlet programs. So you can see this is Tomcat window, Tomcat server window. We can just minimize this window. After bin, next folder is lib folder. In lib folder, we require servlet-api.jar file. This file, again, this is required for running servlet program, servlet-api.jar file. Next is web apps. In web apps, example is a user defined folder. You can create any folder with your name. So in that folder, in that user defined folder, again you have to create webinf folder. Inside webinf, classes. Now in this classes folder, you should save all Java programs. And if there is HTML file, then it should be saved in example file. See Apache Tomcat web apps examples. In examples, you should save your HTML file. So you can see index and index get, these are two HTML files. So this is a directory structure which we require for running servlet program.